Hi, and welcome to my Pizza Dough Pro YouTube channel. I maxed out my Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. I made a single jumbo 500-gram pizza dough ball and made a mega large pizza that I baked in the Arc XL. This pizza almost touched both sides of the oven. I had almost zero wiggle room to rotate the dough, but I still managed to create an amazing pizza. The Gozney Arc XL is a beast. I'm very impressed. I should also mention that I am still on my original 30-pound propane tank that I started using way back in the month of May. I have been baking pizza every weekend and many midweek baking sessions, and the tank is still not empty. The Arc XL is truly amazing with how little propane it uses. Kudos to the brainchild, Tom Gozney, for putting so much time into creating this amazing pizza oven. The full recipe for the pizza dough is on my Recipe Basics YouTube channel. I'll put a link to it at the end of this video, and I'll put a link in the description box and also in the comments section. This is a full, step-by-step video recipe. Click the link and it will take you directly to my video. Thanks for watching.